Hi guys, so I got a special delivery today. I purchased something new for my car and it finally arrived. I am so excited to see well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna give you guys a hint. So it's not that long. So I got me a new shifter. Look at how cute this is. Look at how cute my little shifter is. I'm so excited to put it on and see how it looks. I am outside with my Samaria sword shifter and I am so excited to put this on my car. So let's not wait no more. Kitty, you like it? Do you like it, kitty? You like it? Yeah? What do you think about it? Yeah? Oh, yeah. She approves. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and let's get her on the mini. I'm so excited to put this on and see how it looks, and let's see how hard it is to put on, first of all, because I mean I've never changed a shifter before. So I looked online and it says to remove the plastic, which what I did here. I lifted this up. Now it says to just pull that up. Now let's see if I have enough strength to do that. I'm afraid I'm gonna like whack myself in the face. Oh my god, this is like really tight in there. Oh my god, I cannot do this. How the heck do the people get this thing out? Like, this is like super tight. Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to break my arms off. Alright. Let's do this. Yo, this is no joke. I feel like in the movies, the person who's not meant to take off the sword is trying to remove the sword.
You go to it, Kay. Give it all you got. Put your
Yo, what the heck is this inside of here? Oh my god, I cannot take this thing off for the dear life of me. Somebody send help. Alright, you guys, after some time finessing this thing, I finally got it on. So now let's just lock it in place. Let's try to keep this thing nice and straight. And then I have to get a zip tie so that way I can zip tie the little skirt on there. And now we're gonna take her on a ride. Look how cool it looks. I'm so excited. This house, I can't wait to have my kids see this and see how they react. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a cool piece? Like, I really am loving it right now. And this thing was so easy to put. The hardest thing was just taking the freaking knob out. I had to get my boyfriend to come and pull it out because I couldn't. Now I hope I remember what gear I'm in. That's gonna be the funniest thing ever. Hope I install out. Okay, so now that we have my little samurai sword on here, we're gonna go ahead and put the
why do you have jizz on your
that's
stick?
from this mess that's in here.
That's jizz.
We're gonna put this zip tie right here to hold on.
Other way, sweetheart. Oop, hold on.
Okay, let's try to get it all the way up so it doesn't slip.
You want to double check it before you take it?
Nah, it should be good. I can feel the plastic. Just cut this thing off. Slip the skirt back down.
Nice. Flush as fuck. Savage, babe.
I don't think it's on. Wait. Let's see. No. I'm sure it has to be the little hooks.
One eternity later.
Alright, there you go. Alright. Now let's take it out for a little ride. I love the way it feels. Like it's so smooth shifting compared to before. Like remember, I don't know, with this one you have to actually give it force for it to lock in, but this one is so smooth.
Plus you like long things.
Huh?
Plus you like things that are long.
I actually thought this was gonna be a lot longer. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like up to here. Like in the pictures, it looks like it's that long, but it's not. Like I think this is a decent size, and I love the details on here. Now I feel like doing like a Japanese themed car.
You should.
I think that would be sick. I don't know. I love it. I love it.
Yo, imagine somebody get mad at you. You just be like, what the fuck you said? You just take the shit out.
Goodness, like it takes forever. I want you to like.
So.
Oh, babe. Dang. And that was captured.
That was?
Yup.
Yo, I'm used to my car, man.
My poor clutch. I'm gonna need a clutch soon.
It's alright. The one who pays for the one who puts everything in is me. It's not like you have to suffer.
My pockets have to suffer.